after that, I'm very thankful to my parents and then my respectable teacher to make me able. And after that, all of jury and you all guys who they are giving me their precious time. So tonight, the caption which I am holding is seeking the myth of peace. You know, myth will be new word for mostly of you guys, and peace will be common word mostly of you guys, because whenever time of peace will come, so one word will come in our mind, that unity. That if we will combine our own self with other self, if we will equal our thoughts with other, if we will make our hand like a punch, so it will be known as a unity. So seeking the myth of unity means there is a one who is the king of peace. There is a one who can give you peace. There is a one who can fulfill your desire which you have seen in your past. If I will talk about this country, Pakistan, this is my motherland. On 1947, we got this land. Only we remember this. But before it, what happened? In lakhs, people were dying. Do you know why? Because they were finding a myth of peace. That they were finding that who can give us this nation, who can make us separate, who can give us freedom, who can put our dream come true. So at that time so many leaders were there, like Liaquat Ali Khan was there, like Quaid-e-Azam was there, like Allama Iqbal was there. Allama Iqbal was the dreamer of Pakistan, and Quaid-e-Azam is the father of Pakistan. But now, if I will tell you a story that before 1 week what happened, that there was a one poster on which one thing was written, that father of nation, and there was a picture of one political leader who haven't come in Pakistan and we are calling him father of nation. It is same like that, Ali is there and Saqib is there. Ali got married and Saqib become the father, so it is possible, no? So my suggestion is that try to find a good person, try to find a person who can do something for your country, because if you will make this kind of father, so I am also available, I am not doing anything. Thank you, that's all.
Well, obviously, when somebody strive hard to bring peace for you and then you celebrate his whole endeavors, then after that, yet you blame to the nation and you are saying others, then try finding a good leader for yourself. Then the same question I would ask you, and the same finger could be raised on you as well, that why are not you the part of that unity that you define by yourself? Very first, what is very common in our nation, when we stand, we indict others that you are the one, you must find good leader for yourself, and then bichara bacha, we make fun of that man. So what is that? We guys are making fun of our younger, and then we guys want something really better in our country, so it is out of question. Very first, you must respect someone is younger to you, then they will give you respect, and when there is respect, unity can be made even very fast.
My tears are coming out. As much emotional he was, but no, one good thing I got from his question, that a good vocabs. He was like, no, Oxford dictionaries for me, nothing else, because his question was useless. What have you done for Pakistan? So I have done so many things for Pakistan. Abdul Samad Khan was partner of Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan when he was inventing nuclear bomb. I was there to support Quaid-e-Azam when he was giving to this land. I was there to saw the dream when Allama Iqbal was sleeping. So I was there. The motive to say this, that Pakistani was there, that's why now we are Pakistani. If Pakistani would not be there, so we would not be able to guard this land.
I must say you that according to your speech, I got to know that you want to be a father. But the thing is that when you will try to become a father of your father, then you will not call a man. See, as you give the example of Quaid-e-Azam, that he is the father of Pakistan, we all guys are accepting. But the thing is that, are we following the Quaid-e-Azam? Definitely no. When the time of Ayub Khan, he did hard work for the nation and he gave his all the time for the nation. But what he got? The abuses. When the time of Martin Luther King, he did superb work for his nation. But what he got? Hang on. The thing is that whatever they have done, we should not take their name. If you are the real lover of them, so you must be in action and you show your action that I am the real follower of them. Now you are saying that Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. Did you remember what he said? The Quaid-e-Azam said that the students are the future of Pakistan. But see, these students studying and try to becoming a father. What you are saying, man? If you in the study time you want to become a father, you definitely you will not follow student.
I'm repeating my word which I said in semi-final that when you got one topic, so only one presentator will be there. But there are also two presentators was there. They don't try to be the father of father. So I was saying the same thing that don't try to be the father of father. But there is a one condition. I will give you a one informal example by which you will get, because you are no like toilet paper this kind of I will give you that. Suppose you are going from the street, you don't mind, huh? Suppose Ali is going from the street. Fazan is not going, Ali is going from the street. His father is doing piss on wall on the street. So at that time he need to become the father of his father. He need to stop him there. You should not be able, you should not allow to dirty our wall, because there is a toilet available, public toilet also available. Go there, pay 5 rupees and do half an hour. No one will ready to sit. And that is for Ali, not for Fazan.
Well, unity couldn't come in Pakistan. We couldn't bring peace. And the answer he has given himself. When you are yourself staying in mud and denying others, do not come near. So what is that? See, you yourself said that I was with Quaid-e-Azam, I was with Allama Iqbal. Said the word, it may be in fun, but it show your respect with them. Someone who is a great leader, you show yourself not a follower, but you show yourself a companion. Someone is your teacher, you do not show yourself a student, but you show that you are the same facilitator as he is. So how change would come? We are all the same. We said that I am same like Quaid-e-Azam. I was the one who stood by his side. So how change could ever come? You must be there to say that I was not there at that time, but now I am here to follow him. But you by your words show a lack of respect for father of nation. How it could ever bring change?
Your team having some problem, mentally torture. It always pointing toward the negativity of Pakistan, that this is not available in Pakistan. So for your kind information, whenever you raise your voice, so you will raise voice that my internet connection speed is not good. In my mobile signal is not coming. My GF left me. So how unity will come? How peace will come in this country? So this is the same thing that whenever Nihal start TV, so one channel is coming Jio, on which one person is coming, he is saying Aaj ki raat mere saath. So this problem, their teams are mentality torture. So I am saying the same thing, that try to find correct father of children, try to find a correct leader, try to find the person who can do something, because Quaid-e-Azam said the students are the future of Pakistan. This kind of student, but we are not able to be the students, how we will become the future of Pakistan? So my suggestion was that Pakistani was there, I was not there. Try to